everyone, welcome back to English Mate. I'm Clara, and today I'm super excited.
I'm Arthur. Clara looks so happy today. What's going on?
I'm happy because we're going to talk about something so many people ask. How can I practice English when I'm alone?
Oh yes, that's a big question. No partner? No problem. You can still learn English every day.
That's right. So today, we'll show you a fun daily routine to practice English even if you're all by yourself.
Stick with us till the end. We've got some great tips and mini activities.
Let's start.
So, Clara, tell me, can someone really improve English without a partner?
Of course, you don't need another person to start. You just need your voice, your ears, and your phone or mirror.
A mirror? Oh, you mean mirror practice.
Exactly. When you speak in front of a mirror, you can see your mouth move, your face expressions, and your confidence grow.
I like that. So the first step in the daily routine is mirror talking.
Yes, start every morning. Look in the mirror and say, "Good morning, how are you today?"
That sounds simple.
Simple is powerful. Repeat after me. "Good morning, how are you today?"
Good morning. How are you today?
Nice. Then you can answer yourself. "I'm good, thank you, I slept well."
So you talk to yourself like a friend.
Exactly. That's step 1. Talk to yourself every morning.
Okay, what about the next step?
Step 2 is think in English.
Oh, that's a bit hard. How do we do that?
Start small. When you see something, say the word in English in your mind. For example, if you see a cup, think cup. If you pick it up, think I'm holding a cup.
So we describe what we do all day in English.
Yes, that's called self-narration. It trains your brain to stay in English mode.
I like that. I'm walking, I'm making tea, I'm watching English Made.
Perfect. You're doing it already.
What's next after thinking in English?
Step 3, listen and repeat.
Oh, like shadowing?
Exactly. Listen to short clips from movies, shows, or English Mate videos and repeat exactly what you hear.
I like that part. It helps pronunciation and rhythm.
Yes, the secret is not only listening, but copying the voice, tone, and timing.
So maybe we can try a small one right now?
Sure, repeat after me. How's your day going?
How's your day going?
Nice. Another one. I'm doing great, thanks.
I'm doing great, thanks.
Excellent. Listeners, say it with us. I'm doing great, thanks.
Good job, everyone.
That's shadowing. It's one of the best ways to sound natural.
Cool. What about writing practice?
That's step 4. Daily journal. Write 3 to 5 lines in English every day.
Like, today I woke up early. I went for a walk. I felt happy.
Exactly. Even simple sentences help you build vocabulary and grammar memory.
And if you don't know a word,
Use a dictionary app or describe it with easy words. For example, if you don't know umbrella, you can say thing we use in rain.
clever. So we can write even if we don't know many words.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
All right, so far we have 4 steps. Mirror talk, think in English, listen and repeat, and write daily.
Exactly. Now let's add some speaking games.
Games. I love games.
Game 1. Describe it. Take any object near you and describe it in English.
Okay, I have a pen. Let me try. It's blue. It's long. I use it to write.
Perfect. And if you want to challenge yourself, add feelings. I like this pen. It's my favorite.
That's fun. What's game 2?
Game 2 is guess the word. You think of a word and describe it without saying it, and your friend or even yourself guesses it.
Wait, how can I play alone?
Record your description, then listen later and guess. Or write clues and come back after some time.
Ooh, that's smart. Practice and play at the same time.
Yes, these games make English fun, not boring.
I like that. Learning should be fun.
Exactly. If you enjoy it, you'll keep doing it.
So what about pronunciation practice?
That's step 5. Tongue twisters. They train your mouth muscles.
Oh, those are funny. Like, she sells seashells on the seashore.
Yes, say it slowly first, then faster. Let's try.
She sells seashells on the seashore.
Again, a little faster.
She sells seashells on the seashore.
Great job.
That's tricky but fun.
Tongue twisters make your mouth flexible.
So now we have mirror talk, thinking, shadowing, writing, games, and tongue twisters. That's a full morning routine already.
Right, you can do half in the morning and half in the evening.
Speaking of evening, what should learners do at night?
Before bed, listen to English podcasts or bedtime stories. Let English be the last thing you hear.
That helps the brain remember.
Yes, your brain practices even while you sleep.
Wow, that's cool.
So, we can make a simple daily plan. Morning, mirror talk, thinking, shadowing. Afternoon, games, writing. Evening, listening before sleep.
That sounds easy and complete.
And remember, do it every day, even for 10 minutes.
Consistency beats perfection.
Exactly. Every little bit counts.
Yes, it's not about being perfect, it's about showing up every day.
Sometimes people stop because they think their English is bad.
Oh yes, that's so common. But you know what? Talking badly is better than staying silent.
True. When we were kids, we didn't care if we made mistakes in our first language.
Exactly. We learned by using it, not by waiting.
So we should speak English even if we're not fluent.
Absolutely. Fluency grows with practice, not with fear.
So, Arthur, can we show how to talk alone in daily life, like small examples?
Great idea. Let's show a mini daily routine.
Okay, morning first.
You wake up and say, "Good morning. I'm feeling fresh today."
Then maybe, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making breakfast. I'm drinking tea.
Exactly. It's simple and real. You describe what you do.
What about when going outside?
You can say, "I'm walking to the bus stop. The weather is nice. I see people around."
And if you're at work or school, you can say, I'm opening my book. I'm writing. I'm learning.
Nice. And when you come home, "I'm cooking dinner. I'm watching TV."
So basically, we're turning life into English.
Yes, everyday English, everywhere, every time.
That sounds like magic.
It is. You don't need extra time. You just need to change your language of thinking.
You know what helps me? Recording my voice.
Oh, that's a great tip. You can record yourself speaking about your day.
Then listen again and notice your pronunciation or grammar.
That's like being your own teacher.
Yes, and you can even compare your speech after 1 month. You'll see big progress.
That's so motivating.
Speaking of motivation, how do we stay motivated alone?
One secret: small rewards. After each day's practice, reward yourself.
Like watching a short English video or eating your favorite snack.
Exactly. Make learning joyful.
And another way is keeping a progress chart.
Oh, I love that. You can write what you practiced each day and tick the box.
That gives a sense of achievement.
Yes, motivation grows when you see progress.
Let's do a quick review of daily steps again for our friends watching.
Sure. Step 1. Mirror talk in the morning.
Step 2, think in English.
Step 3. Listen and repeat.
Step 4, write a small journal.
Step 5. Play games like describe it or guess the word.
Step 6, tongue twisters for pronunciation.
Step 7. Listen before bed.
That's a full plan.
And remember, don't try to do everything in one day.
True. Just a few minutes from each step is enough.
Let's do a short practice together.
Yes, let's show them how to repeat and learn naturally.
Okay, repeat after me, everyone. I can practice English every day.
I can practice English every day,
Even when I'm alone.
even when I'm alone.
I'm confident and improving.
I'm confident and improving.
Excellent! This helps with speaking confidence.
Let's do one vocabulary challenge now.
Good idea. Okay, Clara, what's another word for practice?
Train?
Perfect. Practice and train mean almost the same. Now your turn, friends. What's another way to say improve?
Oh, I know. Get better.
Yes, so I improve my English means I get better at English.
Easy and useful.
Another one. What's the opposite of alone?
Together.
Great. So even if you are alone, you can feel together with us here.
That's true. English Mate Family is always here to practice with you.
That's a beautiful thought.
Thank you. Now, Can we teach a few everyday phrases for daily self-talk?
Sure. Repeat after me, everyone. I can do it.
I can do it.
I'm learning English every day.
I'm learning English every day.
Mistakes help me grow.
Mistakes help me grow.
I'm proud of myself.
I'm proud of myself.
Perfect. These positive sentences build confidence.
And when you feel shy, say, "It's okay. I'm learning."
That's powerful. Never be afraid of your level.
Yes, every expert was once a beginner.
Exactly. Learning is a journey, not a race.
You're right. Arthur, I think it's time to give our friends a mini challenge.
Oh yes, challenge time.
All right, here it is. Talk in English for 2 minutes every day about anything.
You can talk about your breakfast, your day, or your dreams.
You can record it and listen again. You'll sound better each week.
And if you want, comment your favorite practice sentence below.
We'd love to read them.
Yes, sharing helps others too.
By the way, Arthur, what's your favorite English practice habit?
I love talking to myself while cooking. I describe everything. I'm cutting the onion, I'm frying eggs.
That's cute. I like talking while walking, like, I'm going fast. The sky is blue. I feel good.
See, that's the secret. Make English part of your normal life.
Yes, don't wait for the perfect time. Start now.
Right. Every small sentence is progress.
And don't worry about grammar too much.
Exactly. Grammar will improve naturally with speaking and listening.
So the message is just start.
Yes, no partner, no problem.
You can be your best speaking partner.
Let's quickly recap everything before we say goodbye.
Okay, recap time.
Okay, morning. Mirror talk, simple self sentences.
Daytime, think in English, describe your actions.
Afternoon, write a few lines and play games.
Evening, listen and relax with English audio.
Practice daily for 10 to 15 minutes.
Reward yourself, stay positive, and never give up.
Perfect summary.
Our friends must feel confident now.
I hope so. And remember, English is not just a subject, it's a skill you live with.
So make it part of your life.
Exactly. English every day in small steps.
I think that's the best message to end on.
Yes, time to wrap up.
Okay, friends, if you enjoyed this talk, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Mate, and share it with someone who's learning too.
Your support helps us bring more fun English lessons for you.
And remember, you're never alone on this journey.
That's right. We're always here with you.
Keep practicing, keep smiling.
Keep believing in yourself.
You can do this.
You already started today.
So proud of you all.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone. Keep shining.
Bye-bye. See you soon.